Best life, I told y'all, I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends, turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like screw.
Okay, hey y'all. As you can see, I am just washing my hair, so feel free to do so. Well, not feel free, you need to wash your hair in order to do the 3-strand twist out. I am showing you the products that I'm using to wash my hair. I am a fan of Cantu Shea Butter, but for different hair types, you may prefer different products on your hair. So these are just the products that I use to get the results that I want. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish washing my hair. After washing my hair and using the products I did use, this is the aftermath of what my hair looks like before putting any other products in it. So now I am just gonna dry off my hair a little bit more, just have it damp. It doesn't have to be soaking wet or anything. Then I'm gonna show you the products that I am using. I do have a detangler, my Shine and Hold Mist, my leave-in conditioner, and then a styling stay glue gel, and then also my olive oil stay and hold pudding. The first thing I am going to be using is my leave-in conditioner, just to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized and clean and soft and whatnot. The point of a conditioner, make sure you use a generous amount. I know some people say a dime amount, but because you are natural, you are going to be needing a lot. Now I am putting the detangler in my hair because my hair gets extremely tangly, so I'm putting as much as possible to get all these knots out of my hair. For me to help that process be a little bit easier, I'm getting some hair ties, and I am going to section my hair off into 4s. It's going to be split in half, top and bottom, and then with those 2 halves, I'm going to split those in half again as shown in the video. So as I was saying, I am going to be putting a generous amount of detangler on my hair because for curly girls, your hair does get really tangled up. So doing this type of style, I want the least amount of tangles as possible. So I need to make sure that I get every single knot out of my hair. So as I finish up detangling my hairs that have broken, any type of combs trying to comb through their hair, and if so, how many? Because I know for sure that I have been through plenty. But now I have finished combing all of my hair, and I just twisted up the sections. And so now I'm going to start off with the back piece doing the 3-strand twist. The products I am going to be using for this twist is my olive oil stay and hold pudding. Make sure you use a generous amount on your hair too. For me, my hair likes to absorb all of the products, so I like to put a decent amount on there so that all of my hair gets it. For other people, you may not have to use as much, but for my type of hair, I do need to use a good amount of the hair product. So yeah, make sure you just get your roots to your ends. And then I'm going to put the styling gel on my hair, or you can use a twist and lock gel. But the reason I do use the styling gel is because it is purposely made for people who want to keep their frizz down, and because I am in Mississippi, it is extremely hot, and with my curly hair, my hair will freeze up and be extra frizzy and poofy, and I just don't like that. But now I'm just twisting up 1/2, and I'm going to get started on the other piece with the 3-strand twist. So now I am separating this piece of hair as if I'm doing a braid, and as you can see, I took one end and wrapped it all the way to the opposite side. I'm not sure if I'm good at explaining it, but if you can watch it, I'm sure you would understand it better than me explaining. When I get to the end of each twist, I am just going to do a simple finger coil just so that it can hold. And now I'm going to do some more. Well, not do some more. I'm going to do my whole head, but in the video, I'm just going to show you some more of me doing the twist so you can get an extra look at it. Now, when it comes to the twist that you are going to be doing at the top of your head, I do recommend braiding the top of it where the root is before you start doing the twist. And after you braid a few down, you're just going to start the 3-strand twist as if you were doing the other ones. When doing this, you do have to do an underneath braid just so that you know, because doing an over braid will kind of loosen up the twist, if you understand what I'm trying to say. But yeah, now I am all done with the twist. I did 8 of them as I'm showing you here, and now I'm going to be putting my shine mist onto my hair so that can be on there when I sleep overnight. So make sure you just put a decent enough on there to make sure your hair is all nice and shiny. And now I'm going to wrap my hair up. You can use whatever type of scarf you want. I know a lot of curly haired girls like to use silk scarves, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. So yeah. Good morning, lovely folks, or if it's nighttime, whatever time it is, wherever you're at. It is morning where I am, and I am taking my scarf off and about to take down my twist because I have to go to class. But when you are taking down your twist, you're going to put some type of oil on your fingers to make sure that you get the least amount of frizz as possible taking down your twist. Now, if you wake up and you have somewhere to go and your hair still is not dry, I would recommend you getting a blow dryer with a diffuser possibly. Or if you don't have a diffuser, just use the blow dryer yourself to see if you can dry as much as you possibly can. But now I still am taking apart my twist, and once I'm going to start separating them to make my hair bigger. Now I've finished taking apart my hair for the most part. Now I'm going to use my pick to make my hair bigger because particularly to me, my hair was not big. And now I am going to put some argan oil onto my hair just to give it a little bit more of a shine and make sure I get the least amount of breakage as possible. So that is the conclusion of my video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope that this video helped you accomplish a 3-strand twist.